Okay, I switched over to 2 cents and I'm betting $1.50. So I popped the triple. So let's see what happens on 2 cents. 10 down the next triple. $5. Hopefully we'll catch the maxi 21 later. Oh, that's good. Yeah. I got the maxi, which is $21. Drops down after a minute. This is 2 cents, so it'll double. I hit the minor $10. I'm up to $44. The minor. Oh, I need another one. Oh my goodness, I hit the major. That's $30. Not bad. Last spin. I'll take $39. $1.50 bet on 2 cents.